I'll get my skis off.
You're such an idiot.
I cannot get up, so I have to get my skis off.
I can, I'm filming it.
Don't, my boobers are showing. Help me.
I can't get up.
Brendan! I love you, help me, Brendan!
Let me get my ski off.
Somebody!
Oh.
Just give up. Please, Alicia, the snow's going in my shirt and my...
Hey, Brendan, what's up? This is all on film, you know.
Oh yeah! Chapman!
Please, someone! Help! Brendan! Hey, that's no fair. Get mine off! Get mine off!
No, I gotta get you up first.
Okay.
That was so funny.
Okay, get me up. Hey, don't go over there. My ass is showing.
Fuck cares, I'm not looking down your pooter.
Hey, help me.